Soap and I'm a pharmacist at Sarasota Memorial Hospital. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the proper technique for applying eye drops and eye ointments. So let's start with eye drops first. The very first thing you want to do is wash your hands with soap and water for at least 30 seconds. This is to make sure that you don't get an eye infection. Next, screw off the cap from your bottle and tilt your head back. Use your finger to lower your lower eyelid and look up at the ceiling. After you insert the eye drop, you can close your eye gently for 1 to 2 minutes. When you're actually applying the eye drop, be very careful not to touch the tip of the bottle to your eye. Again, this is to prevent the chance of getting an eye infection. If you're taking multiple eye drops, you need to wait at least 5 minutes before putting in the next eye drop. And if you're a contact lens wearer, it's best if you don't wear contacts when you're using eye drops. Try to wear eyeglasses if you can. But again, check the directions and see if it's okay to wear contact lenses. If you use over-the-counter eye drops frequently, they might start to irritate your eyes. Another product that you can get is preservative-free eye drops. These come in little individual single-dose plastic containers that you just use once and then throw away. Because they don't contain a preservative, you want to make sure that you do actually throw them away and not keep them around, because they'll start to grow germs and again lead to an eye infection. Once you're done applying your eye drops, be sure you know where to store them. There are certain eye drops that need to be stored in the refrigerator, and the rest of them can be stored safely at room temperature. So now we'll talk about eye ointments. Applying an ointment is very similar to eye drops. The first thing you want to do is wash your hands. Then, check the label to see how much you need to apply. Then, screw off the cap from your eye ointment tube. You may need to use the little spike on the back of the cap to puncture through the seal. Then, you'll squeeze out the amount of ointment you need. So read the instructions, and if it says to apply a 1/2-inch ribbon, you want to squeeze out about 1/2 inch worth of ointment onto your finger. You want to look up at the ceiling, use your finger to lower your lower eyelid, and you can actually form a pocket. Now you're ready to apply the ointment into your lower eyelid into that pocket. Close your eyes and gently roll around your eye from side to side and up and down to make sure that the ointment spreads evenly where it needs to work. Now ointments are a lot greasier and thicker than eye drops, so they will definitely make your vision blurry. Make sure that you're not planning to do any kind of activity right after applying your ointment that requires very acute vision, such as driving a car. Make sure you give yourself a little bit of time for the ointment to even out so your vision goes back to normal. After you apply the ointment, you can also wipe off the tip of the tube with a clean tissue so that there's no residue left on it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you now know exactly how you should apply your eye drops and eye ointments in the correct way.